Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can set up a screen lock on your Motorola Moto G54 5G. For that we want to go to our settings and then we want to go to security and privacy and want to say set up a screen lock, and now we can choose a screen lock. We can say swipe, pattern, pin or password. You can see how secure these options are below. So we're going to say pin, which is a medium to high security, and we can set our pin now. We say 1 2 3 4, next, confirm that, and now we can say how we want the lock screen to display: show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. And then we can say done, and when we go ahead and lock our phone, we need to type in our pin to get to our phone. So that's how you can set up a screen lock on your Motorola Moto G54 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.